Guys, this is the new Los Fresnos Nature Park. I actually went to school in Los Fresnos High School. It's like right next door. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that for the thumbnail. So this is the new Los Fresnos Nature Park. This wasn't here when I was going to school. It wasn't over there. So let's go check it out. So next door you have like a Resaca. Some pretty nice houses.
The little park is not open.
They have a park like for children. They're still doing construction on. Like a little park you can play in and stuff. Yeah, they just recently opened, so some of the parks are still under construction. It's about a mile-long trail. So you got this little rock thing you can climb on and stuff. Pick up your dog crap. Yeah, so here's one thing that they made already on here. I don't know how. So you got a balance on this thing. I'm not even gonna try. So it is wobbly. Guys, this is the like little Resaca I was showing you earlier. Oh yeah, that's true.
Or covered.
So we got here a random little water fountain. You guys get thirsty?
That wasn't here last time.
Yeah, they're building new stuff here, so this wasn't here last time. So here you got a little platform where you got 3 different levels and somebody speaking in the middle or dancing or doing a show or whatever. Right here. Let's go up the stairs, see what is over the stairs. So we're gonna check real quick what is over the horizon of the stairs. So pretty much more trees and crap.
Maybe they're hoping they had.
So they might be adding more trails and stuff because this park is still very new. Over here we have a little pull-up station. You guys can do your pull-ups, but you have to be able to jump that high at least, so that is what it is. You have to get your hands all the way up there, so unless you're like a little kid or something, you got somebody to carry you up there, you can still get up there. You got it. Little patches of grass, vegetation growing. I see some mushrooms over there. I wouldn't suggest anybody eat them. But guys, it looks like, yeah, like an alligator trail. There's some water down there.
Tell them if they've checked out your video from Louisiana, this is like this long.
Oh yeah, guys, go check out my New Orleans video where I went to New Orleans a few months ago. See a lot of alligators in there, hogs and stuff jumping in the water. Here's some nice little palm trees growing by the water. Here's another platform. So this one's the balance plank. I guess you got to balance again. Your feet is just like a board. This is like the most expensive one I've seen so far. We got this tarp laid out here for some reason. So here there's like basically when you hit this tarp, there's a long stretch of trail. Go ahead and walk in now. Or you could turn back and then walk back that way. So I believe this is the first Los Fresnos Nature Park, right? So this is the first Los Fresnos Nature Park. It just opened like when? 2 or 3 months ago. So it's pretty new. Here's one of those mushrooms I was talking about. They just come right out of the ground. See the earth open up right there. I don't know if those are poisonous or if they are edible or if they're or hallucinogen, a magic one. So we got here another platform. This one doesn't have a sign for whatever reason. Actually, the sign is on the machine itself. Push-up station. Okay. This is like the highest push-up station I've ever seen. This would be like more like a stretchy station, but it's pretty high up. I mean, little lizards running around here. Oh, so so I looked it up, and the magic shrooms, they need an organism or a host to grow off of like a tree or something.
Well, like,
Or poop, yeah, cow poop or whatever. Here's some of the scenery. Is that a trail on the other side? There's like a bike trail or something over there.
no, that's the trail we're gonna go on.
Oh, okay, so the trail goes that way, guys. So if you want to cut through, there's a little trail to cut through right here. There's a little way to cut through right there. There's like an animal trail right there. Maybe some gators, alligators, or piranhas, sharks living here. Yeah, there's a ton of these little lizards running around. Look, look, look. See one they're gonna run across right there. That one's a big one. Anyways, we got another platform right here. This one is another, I would say, cheap looking one, but this one is pretty good. I'm gonna tell you why. This one you jump up on here like, you know, like you jump up here, jump back down. So that one's pretty cool. Even though it's, you know, looks cheap, but that one's, I would use that one probably if I wasn't so lazy. So keep moving. There's another dog bag trash can thing you pick up the poop with, and there's some more mushrooms. Those ones are a different kind of mushrooms. Like I said, I'm not a mushroom expert, so I wouldn't go and eat them. So they're called dog waste stations, for your information. Here's another weird looking trail.
And I saw a ferry over there.
A ferry? A ferry?
Well, like, have you ever seen the movie Pan's Labyrinth?
No. Oh, I think I have, yeah, yeah.
Or Labyrinth. He calls those big bugs fairies.
Yeah, I see it going somewhere up there.
But then if you...
Guys, there's a rabbit, a little bunny right over there.
The lizard went up to the bunny.
He's like a little chill, like we're getting really close.
He's so used to people.
I've never seen a rabbit let us get like this close to him. He let us pass him up.
Yeah, the high school's back there.
So there's like the FFA or Future Farmers or something like that of America. There's my old high school, guys, with the back part of it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Here's another view of it.
The bell just rang.
The bell just... That's the bell, right? Yeah. And what's today, though?
Thursday.
Thursday, so it's actually school's in session, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of cars and everything. It could be lunchtime, so they might be just coming out for school or whatever. Give me some pizza! Brings back those high school memories, man. You know, lizards. So, like, after high school, guys, you know, I never had really big expectations. Well, there was a few times I thought I was going to be, like, super wealthy or whatever. Not saying it still can't happen or whatever, but out of high school, you know, I've been still chill. Like, I was chill during high school, you know, bros by like a breeze. I think that's how life is. Yeah. Whether you try or not, it just goes right by you, like, real quick.
But some people struggle a lot.
Some people struggle a lot, and I think that those people sometimes make it harder on themselves. Oh, look, there's a huge one. What the hell? But at the same time, I mean, some parents have big expectations for their kids, so they'll be pushing the kids or whatever. Look at what?
The red bird.
Where?
He just flew away. He was right there.
Oh, I think I saw him.
Well, he's still there. He went on that tree.
Oh, okay.
You see him?
Oh, yeah, I see him. There's like a red bird.
He's chasing him.
I don't think my camera's picking it up. All right, come on. There, he's floated away.
Like, I still want.
So there is the high school. Here's a really good view of it. They got like a soccer thing right there. And I think this is pretty much into the trail, you guys. We're just gonna pass that little section where, you know, they're building the kids stuff. And hope you enjoyed this video. Basically a walkthrough of the new Los Fresnos Nature Park. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and sure check out links in the description. Check out Patreon, link in the description. For only $1 a day, you guys can be a patron for this channel. Check out Amazon.com/shop/YouTube 333. Peace.